All right. Did you hear that, Pete? That's from Sherry and Caitlin and Josie and Lucas and Allison. An Amazon box? What?
Rip it open.
What? What? All right. Show Ava what you have, man. Steve.
Got him, man. We spent so much money on that claw machine trying to get him. Even after we dropped the kids off, we went back.
Hey, you tell everybody thank you. Tell them thank you, buddy. Sherry, Josie, Caitlin, Allison, Lucas.